you feel pain in your mid back while sitting for a long time, driving car for a long time? Do you feel like a kink in your mid back? Do you also feel stiffness in the morning? Then you might have a stiff thoracic joints or tight muscles. In this video, I'm going to show you stretches and exercise to help the stiffness in the joint as well as the muscle effectively. Stretch number 1 is the eagle pose. First of all, clasp your right elbow over the left elbow and clasp your hands. You will be feeling stretch in the shoulder blade and you are doing internal rotation of the right side. We're going to repeat on the other side, same way, clasping the other elbow and clasp your hands. And make sure we stretch it nicely. You're going to feel this in the shoulder blade and nice stretch about the rotation of the rotator cuff muscle. This can be done 10 repetitions. You can do 10-second hold, or you can do 5 repetitions, 20-second hold. Stretch number 2 is a latissimus dorsi stretch. So the second stretch is a latissimus dorsi stretch. All we are doing is grabbing hands over the head and stretching arms sideways. Make sure we are not bending forward, but we are bending sideways. You will feel a stretch in the side of the shoulder blade, in the mid back, and you will feel nice and good stretch in the thoracic joints as well. But this is a latissimus dorsi stretch, and again we're going to repeat same thing on the other side. Allow it 10 seconds and we can do 10 repetitions. Stretch number 3 is a upper trap stretch. Next we will do upper trap stretch, which is called upper trapezius muscle, and you will bring one hand behind your back to lock your shoulder, and we will bring opposite ear to the shoulder. We can use same arm to support the upper trap stretch. Make sure we're not bending the back, but we are only bending the neck sideways. We will repeat same thing on the other side. Bring one hand behind and the second hand on the head and bend your neck to get the good stretch going. Again, good hold, good number of repetitions to start with. Stretch number 4 is a levator scapulae stretch. This muscle is a shoulder blade muscle and often creates the headache as well. Next stretch, start with by first rotating the head to the side, using the same hand, and grab the back of the head and bring nose towards the floor or nose towards the armpit. It is very nice stretch in the mid back shoulder blade muscles, and we will repeat same thing on the opposite side, and we can hold for 10 seconds and we can do 10 repetitions. Stretch number 5 is a tabletop stretch. Now we can grab a table or a chair for this stretch. Whenever you're sitting slouched, you are going to feel some back pain, then this is a good stretch for you. So grab a table or a desk that is sturdy and stable. As you keep both arms on your table, walk back and make sure we don't bend the lower back, and keep the back straight, and also make sure we avoid the head movement. We don't need to bend the head or overextend the head, and we're going to get this stretch in the neck and the upper back area. Very good extension of the muscles here. Stretch number 6 is thoracic extension. This stretch is designed to improve some T-spine joint mobility. You can use a wall or a chair or table as well. Don't want arm back. Don't want to arch back and drop your mid back towards the floor, and relax and repeat few times. We can do 10 reps every day. Stretch number 7 is a snow angel or wall stretch. Here this can be done with the wall or laying on your back. So you go against the wall and take wall as your guide and moving both arms over the head, and you will feel a nice stretch in the shoulder blade and mid back. This is really good for any rotator cuff injuries too, but if it is painful, consult your physician or physiotherapist. These are the 7 stretches that is very effective, can be done anytime whenever you're feeling stuck in the mid back pain or a kink in the mid back. Thank you again. We'll see you in the next video.